Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Moak, and today I just want to give a quick overview of the website I created for Comm 310 this semester at BYU, Idaho. As you can probably tell here from the homepage, this is a portfolio website. I figured since I'm graduating this semester, I might as well create my portfolio and showcase some of the work I've done here at BYU, Idaho. So this is the landing page that you come to. I've got this nice quote and some code behind it to kind of show that I'm a developer. And then I've got links to my portfolio and my resume on the homepage, as they are the important links for the site. I've also got my practice and style guide as well as my copyright down here in the footer, and we'll get to those later. So let's go on to portfolio. In portfolio, you'll find all of the work that I've done here at BYU, Idaho, outlined in a nice grid format with titles and a little description on each. Each of these has a hover to let you know that you can click on them. So if I click on one of them, you can see a bigger description on what the website was about, the languages I used, and the classes that I did it for, as well as a website link to actually take you to the website in order to view it and check it out. Moving on is my resume. So I laid this out just like you would find it on my print resume, which you can download a PDF version of it over here. But it's got my summary qualifications, education, certifications, education or experience, skills, and accomplishments, just like you find on my actual resume. In my About page, you get a nice picture of me and my family, and just some more information about me so that people looking at the site can get to know me a bit better. Contact just takes you to my contact form so that if you have any questions, they can fill it out and I can get back to them. At the moment, this contact form does not work, but I hope to be able to get it working here after the semester. I've also got my practice, which takes you to some of the work we did at the very beginning of the semester, and my style guide, which kind of details some of the design decisions that I made, which I'm actually going to get into right now. This blue color I decided to choose because, one, it was the header on my resume, and two, because it was a common color. I chose this green because it was kind of an adjacent color, and they worked really well together. I created my logo with this fun scripty font to kind of match my initials. And I put it on top of this navigation bar just because I saw that on another website and I really kind of liked how it broke up the header here. Each of my pages that you're on has a nice little semicircle and a green link just to kind of detail where you're at in the website. And the body font just kind of took on a nice Arial because it's easy to read. And the headers ended up being the same as my logo. Something that I learned most while working with this website was actually how to use Photoshop to design the website. I already kind of knew how to do HTML and CSS to create web pages, as you could see from my portfolio, but I didn't really know how to use Photoshop to design, so that was something big that I learned this semester. Something that was difficult for me was duplicating the header and the footer on each page, as I'm very used to PHP and having only one file for my header and footer that I can just show on each of the pages. But it's good to come back to the basics and learn how to do this in just plain HTML and CSS. I hope you enjoyed my overview video, and have a good day.